Ballet is a very physically demanding art form. So as a dancer, I do believe that we are also considered athletes. We pretty much use every single muscle group that you could imagine, from the bigger muscles to the little smaller muscles in the body. My injury happened last summer of 2020. I ruptured my Achilles tendon. I was taking off for a jump and I felt something in my heel pop. My friend, she drove me to TOA right away. Dr. Korn really made me feel like there was nothing to worry about.
We have a lot of fun. The ballet dancers, when I go over there, I set up in the physical therapy room and they come in one at a time and I treat whatever is bothering them that day. So whether they have an injury that we have been monitoring for quite some time, or it's something that has been tweaked in class that day, I treat whatever happens to be there. Lots of hands-on manual therapy and then exercise prescription as well.
With the surgery that he was going to be doing on me, it was a little bit more of a newer surgery. It's called a speed bridge Achilles procedure. He was very confident and the surgery went very smoothly, as incredible as he is. And he made sure that my recovery there on out was very smooth.
A good surgery also has to have a good rehab, and a good rehab has to have a good surgery in order to make it all happen. I definitely think that, again, all of it, from the imaging to the surgery to the rehab to the post-op follow-ups and care and post-recovery, and just going to support her and watching her on stage is very important.
I want to say to all the younger dancers to really focus on cross-training and the importance of cross-training. People are having more conversations about how important it is to cross-train as a ballet dancer. It took a little bit of injury in order for me to really know how important it is. When I was finally able to dance again, it was actually in this studio. I was standing right there. I started just crying with tears of joy. It was almost surreal, like that I was able to move my body like this again.